Hello everyone, welcome back. So if you watched my last video on these match safe candle holders, I showed you when I picked these up, and they're slightly different, right? You got the rings are a little bit different size. The placement of the ring is a little bit different, but basically the same. And I was saying at the end of my video that I was contemplating making one. So you know what I did, right? Yeah. So there's a third variety. So there's my version of it. And basically it's the same, except for a little bit of a modification with the actual candle holder, where I was mentioning that the candles that I made were 1/2 inch, and I had to dip them to get them to fit in here. So now I have one that fits basically a standard candle that I make. So check it out. Let me move one aside so you can kind of compare them. The handle part's a little thicker, and I guess for lack of a better term, the base here is a little tiny bit different. But overall, I think it's a pretty good match. And I had mentioned I was only going to cut one slot. Well, yeah, I had to match it, so I cut both. That was a little tricky with the Dremel tool. But I didn't film this because I actually started this at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I'm an early bird. But basically, I'm going to make a playlist of all candle holders and candles. If you want to see how I make these candles, how I make the wicks, these are beeswax. I'll put all of my candle holder, candle stuff into that playlist. And if you look up how to make a vintage looking candle holder, you'll see how to make this and how to make this in that video. In that video, I used my needle nose pliers to make this crimp. And then I believe, might be the video after that, I show using this little crimping tool that I made, which makes way better crimps. I don't know, besides you making this tool, how else you would do it besides using the needle nose pliers. So there you have it, my copy, I guess, replica, my version of the match safe candle holder, or I guess sometimes they would call them chamber candle holders or whatnot. But so now 3 people can go to the bathroom at the same time. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for coming along. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.